Oh, yeah. El Manuel. Can you squeal the tires?
No. It's a brand new car.
That's true.
Oh, so it has a built-in rev matching feature. So here, I'll show you it.
That was a stupid question. Grind it till you find it.
Here, are you ready? Listen.
Yes.
See how torquey it is?
Oh,
Did you hear the turbo
dude.
whistle?
Yes.
Now I'll go around this
Dude.
corner.
It being a manual is literally just the coolest thing. Oh, man. It corners well. You know, Tokyo drift mode there.
Brakes are also pretty good too.
Oh, I love the interior, dude. That is so cool. This hex thing like that. That is sick.
Got a limited slip diff. Also,
Dude, it's... Dude, 22 on a freaking dope.
are you ready?
Alright, yes. Yo.
Takes corners pretty well. You ready?
Dude. Oh, there's a soccer mom car behind us.
Tires squeal a little bit there.
Biker gang.
That was a Aprilia 1100 factory, and that was a BMW S or M1000 RR.
This guy actually knows things.
I
By
mean,
the
because
way.
I saw both those bikes at Iron Pony. You ready?
Tokyo drift.
No, it doesn't Tokyo drift like you think, bro.
Yes, it does.
Look at that.
Another car guy.
Washing his Miata.
Oh yeah. Of course he has the headlights down. Why you need to be proud of those things, man.
You know, get some photos in the parking lot. All right.
Child on a bicycle. Child on a bicycle. You should do donuts.
No.
Yes, you should do donuts.
No.
Donuts. Donuts. Oh, we can rev it. I just noticed that. We can do that. Oh, I want to get some. Oh, the handle is so sick. How did I not notice that?
Congratulations if you've made it to the end of this video. Watching my camera have an absolute seizure. Be sure to follow for more content.